Hello everyone. There is new technology in the Monster universe. Monsters Incorporated Capotation has found it in the portal doors used to scare the world's childrens.
Oh no. The monsters are scaring our world's childrens, including SimCity's kids, to get some power. We must stop the scares.
We need to stop these portals somehow. The monsters are making kids to scare to death. It is making the world's childhood to collapse.
Also, now 500s of children of USA have been died. I'm a good news teller.
Yeah. Probably needs to break into the monster world and stop the monsters from entering our world.
This super modern technology possibly inevitable. We need an expert skill to stop them. But the parents could ban them.
I have an idea for this. We must enter our closet doors when the portal is activated, go out to the monster world, try to destroy the company, and set a bomb in the factory.
I think it's a good idea, but we must be careful. Once we entering the other world, the door may be deactivated and doesn't return, so we can get trapped in the world permanently.
Ooh. I'm afraid to go. I think I will be trapped in the monster world like do. However, it is possible to ask someone to return me.
Thank you for listening to the news. We hope this problem will be solved. Goodbye.